Hi dear students, so today we are going to finish our first chapter. There is a small topic left. Okay, so are you ready? Okay, so my dear students, in your textbook in page number 21 you can see Nandana's uncle bought bangles for Nandana. Okay, do you know bangles? Yes, that we wore in hands, isn't it? So Nandana's uncle bought bangles for Nandana. How many bangles? Yeah, 10 bangles in 2 packets and 6 more. 10 bangles in 2 packets and 6 more. That means in one packet there is 10 bangles and another packet there is 10 bangles and 6 more. Okay, I will show you how. So there are packets. So in one packet there is 10 bangles. In one packet there is 10 bangles and in another packet there are also 10 bangles and 6 more. And 6 more bangles. So tell me how many in all? Yeah. How will we find that? We will add all, isn't it? So 10 plus 10 plus 6. How much is that? Yes, 26. So in total there are 26 bangles, isn't it? Okay, now Nandana is going to wear the bangles in her 2 hands. Okay. So now I will show you how she wore the bangles in 2 hands. Okay. Now my dear students, Nandana is going to wear the bangles in both hands, in the right and the left hand. Okay. So think how many ways in which she can wear the bangles. I will say one way. Okay. One way is she can wear one bangle in right hand and the other 25 bangle in left hand, isn't it? So 25 in left hand and 1 bangle in right hand. That means 25 and 1, 26 bangles, isn't it? Is there any other way? Yeah, she can wear 2 bangles in the right hand and the other 24 bangles in the left hand, isn't it? So 24 in the left hand and 2 bangles in the right hand. That means 24 plus 2, 26 bangles. Nandana has 26 bangles in total, isn't it? Now tell me, is there any other way? Yes, she can wear 18 bangles in right hand and the other 8 bangles in the left hand. Then only if we add both, then we will get 26 bangles, isn't it? Is there any other way? Yeah, she can wear 10 bangles in the right hand and the other 16 bangles in the left hand. So 10 plus 16 again 26, isn't it? So there are many ways. So I am going to write that in the board. Okay. So Nandana will wear 1 bangle in the left hand and the other 25 bangles in the right hand. The other way, 2 bangles in the left hand and 24 bangles in the right hand. Other way, 10 bangles in the left hand and 16 bangles in the right hand. Okay. Other way, 18 bangles in the left hand and 8 bangles in the right hand, isn't it? So when we add these, we will get 26. 25 plus 1, total 26 bangles. 24 plus 2, total 26 bangles. 18 plus 8, total 26 bangles, isn't it? So likewise, you you want to tell me the other ways, okay? And you want to write those ways in the textbook, okay? Now suppose you have one 10 rupee note, one 10 rupee note and 15 1 rupee coins, 15 1 rupee coins. Then how much will be that? 1 10 rupee and 15 1 rupee coin. That means 10 plus 15, 25. So again you will get 25, isn't it? So here they are asking how many tens. How many 10 rupee note you have? 1. So 1 tens. And how many ones? How many 1 rupee you have? 15. So 15 ones. That means 1 tens means 10 rupee and 15 ones. So 10 rupee plus 15, 25. So again 25, isn't it? Now here you want to write again in tens and ones form. So now tell me, how can you write? Suppose you have 20 rupees. You have 1 10 rupee note, again 1 10 rupee note and 5 1 rupee coin. So you have 2 10 rupee notes, isn't it? 2 10 rupee notes means 20 and 5 1 rupee coins. So you can write here 2 tens. 2 tens means 20 and 5 ones and 5 ones. So 2 tens, 20 and 5 ones, again 25, isn't it? So look here, what can you write here? You can write 10 plus 10 plus 5. 10 plus 10 plus 5 is 25. 10 plus 10, 20 and plus 5, 25, isn't it? So here, suppose you have 25 1 rupee coins. 25 1 rupee coins. Then also it become 25, isn't it? So you can write here 25. So there are 6 ways. 6 ways. We wrote 25 in so many ways, isn't it? So first one is 2 tens and 5 ones. That is, you have 2 10 rupee notes and 5 1 rupee coins. So 25. Here 1 tens and 15 ones. So you have 1 10 rupee note and 15 1 rupee coins. So again 25. Now here in these two you can add 2 numbers and they become 25. 20 plus 5 is 25, 19 plus 6 is 25, or you can write 18 plus 7 is 25, isn't it? So there are so many ways to write 25. You can write 24 plus 1, 23 plus 2. There are so many ways, isn't it? Here 10 plus 5, 25 and 25 1 rupees. So it is also 25. So there are so many ways to write 25. Now you can see in your textbook there is a number like 25. That number is 36. Okay. So now you want to write in how many ways you can write 36. Okay. There will be different ways to write 36. So you want to write that. Okay. Now my dear students, I am going to show you the ways in which you can write a number. So you are having a number and you can write that number in different ways. Okay. Suppose the number is 25. The number is 25. So now you are going to write this number in different ways. You are going to write that number in different ways. Okay, let's look. What can you write here? you can write 20 plus 5, isn't it? What will you get if you add 20 and 5? If you add 20 and 5, you will get 25. You will get 25, isn't it? Now here, any other number? Tell me another number. So you can add 19 plus 6. 19 plus 6. Then also that become 25. Then also that become 25, isn't it? Now suppose you have one 10 rupee note. One 10 rupee note and 15 1 rupee coins. 15 1 rupee coins. Then how much will be that? 1 10 rupee and 15 1 rupee coin. That means 10 plus 15, 25. So again you will get 25, isn't it? So here they are asking how many tens. How many 10 rupee note you have? 1. So 1 tens. And how many ones? How many 1 rupee you have? 15. So 15 ones. That means 1 tens means 10 rupee. And 15 ones. So 10 rupee plus 15, 25. So again 25, isn't it? Now here you want to write again in tens and ones form. So now tell me, how can you write? Suppose you have 20 rupees. You have 1 10 rupee note, again 1 10 rupee note and 5 1 rupee coin. So you have 2 10 rupee notes, isn't it? 2 10 rupee notes means 20 and 5 1 rupee coins. So you can write here 2 tens. 2 tens means 20 and 5 ones and 5 ones. So 2 tens, 20 and 5 ones, again 25, isn't it? So look here, what can you write here? You can write 10 plus 10 plus 5. 10 plus 10 plus 5 is 25. 10 plus 10, 20 and plus 5, 25, isn't it? So here, suppose you have 25 1 rupee coins. 25 1 rupee coins. Then also it become 25, isn't it? So you can write here 25. So there are 6 ways. 6 ways. We wrote 25 in so many ways, isn't it? So first one is 2 tens and 5 ones. That is, you have 2 10 rupee notes and 5 1 rupee coins. So 25. Here 1 tens and 15 ones. So you have 1 10 rupee note and 15 1 rupee coins. So again 25. Now here in these two you can add 2 numbers and they become 25. 20 plus 5 is 25, 19 plus 6 is 25, or you can write 18 plus 7 is 25, isn't it? So there are so many ways to write 25. You can write 24 plus 1, 23 plus 2. There are so many ways, isn't it? Here 10 plus 5, 25 and 25 1 rupees. So it is also 25. So there are so many ways to write 25. Now you can see in your textbook there is a number like 25. That number is 36. Okay. So now you want to write in how many ways you can write 36. Okay. There will be different ways to write 36. So you want to write that. Okay. Now my dear students, we are going to do one more activity. Here you can see some figures are here That means some words are here and there are some columns. Here some numbers are here and you want to write here. Okay. So here you can see 2 tens and 3 ones. 2 tens and 3 ones. Now tell me, what is that number? 2 tens, that means 2 10 rupees, that is 20. And 3 ones and 3 1 rupees. So 2 10 rupees and 3 1 rupees. How much is that? 23. 2 tens means 20 and 3 ones 23, isn't it? So I will write here 23. 23. So now look here, 4 tens. 4 tens. That means there are 4 10 rupees. 4 10 rupees. So how much is that? 4 tens are 40. So I will write here 40. Isn't it? So here look, 16 ones. 16 ones means 16 1 rupees. Isn't it? So that means 16. That means 16. Isn't it? Now look, there is a number 32. There is a number 32. How will you write that? Yes, you can write 3 tens and 2 ones. So 3 tens means 3 10 rupees, that is 30. And 2 ones, 2 1 rupee. So 30 plus 2, 32. 32. Isn't it? Now look here, 50. How will you write 50? Like this, 4 tens are 40. So how many tens are 50? 5 tens are 50. You know that 5 10 rupees are 50. So 5 tens are 50. Isn't it? So like this you want to write. There is an activity in your textbook. So you all need to do that. Okay. Now my dear students, you can see some numbers here. Which are the numbers? 20, 62, 31, 35, 53, 15, 93, 10, 50. And they are saying you want to give a round to the smallest number in each row. Okay? And you want to put tick to the largest number in each row. So look, this row, there are 20, 62 and 31. So which is the smallest number here? Which is the smallest number? Yes, 20 is the smallest number. Isn't it? So I am going to put a round. I am going to put a round to the 20. Okay. Now look, this row. In this one, which is the smallest? Smallest is 15. 35 and 53 are larger than 15. So 15 is the smallest number. Now in this row, which is the smallest? There are 93, 10 and 50. Which is the smallest? 10 is the smallest. So I will put a round to the 10. Now you want to put tick to the largest number. In this row, which is the largest? Yes, 62 is the largest. So I will put a tick. Isn't it? In this row, which is the largest? 53 is the largest number. So I will put tick here. Isn't it? In this row, which is the largest? 93 is the largest. So I will put tick to 93. So we put round to smallest number and tick to largest number. Now you want to tell me, you want to write the smallest numbers in the ascending order. Okay? And you want to write the largest number in the descending order. Okay? So you want to write smallest numbers in the ascending order. Ascending means first you will write the smallest number and then you will write the larger number than the smallest. Then again the larger. So like that you will write. It is the ascending order. In the descending order, you will first write the largest number and then you will write the number which is smaller than that number, again smaller than that number. Okay. So in the ascending order, you will write. Ascending order il cheyyumbo nammal ആദ്യം ഏറ്റവും ചെറിയ സംഖ്യ എഴുതും എന്നിട്ട് വലിയ വലിയ സംഖ്യകൾ എഴുതും. ഓക്കെ. ഡിസെൻഡിങ് ഓർഡർ എന്ന് പറയുമ്പോൾ ആദ്യം ഏറ്റവും വലിയ സംഖ്യ എഴുതും എന്നിട്ട് ചെറിയ ചെറിയ സംഖ്യകൾ എഴുതും. ഓക്കെ. സോ നൗ I am going to write these numbers in ascending and descending order. Okay. Now look in the picture and tell me which are the smallest numbers. So we put round to the smallest numbers, isn't it? So this. Three numbers are smallest numbers. So I will write 20, then 15 and 10. So 20, 15 and 10. I wrote the smallest numbers. Now which are the largest numbers? We put tick to the largest numbers, isn't it? So this and this. 62, 53 and 93 are the largest numbers. So I will write that here. 62, 53 and 93. Is it right? Yes. Now we are going to write the numbers in the ascending and descending order. Ascending order means from the smallest to the largest. Okay. So here tell me which is the smallest number. 20, 15 and 10. Which is the smallest number? 10, isn't it? So first I will write 10. After that, which is the largest? 15. So 15. And after that 20. After that 20. So from the smallest to the largest. From the smallest to the largest. Look here. Which is the smallest number? Smallest is 53. 53. Isn't it? And then 62. 62. Then 93. Again here also smallest. This is the smallest number to the largest. To the largest number. So that is ascending order. From smallest to the largest. Okay. So now tell me in the descending order. Descending order means from largest to the smallest. Largest to the smallest. Okay. So here which is the largest number? 20, 15 and 10. Which is the largest? 20. So I will write 20. Then which number? 15. Then 10. So largest to smallest. Which is the largest? 20 is the largest. And the smallest is 10. So 20, 15 and 10. Isn't it? Now in this, tell me which is the largest number? 93 is the largest number. Isn't it? After that 62, then 53. So from largest to the smallest. So this is the way in which we write largest to smallest or smallest to largest. Okay. Like this you have an activity in your textbook. You want to do that. Okay. Now dear friends, I am going to buy some flowers. Okay. I am going to buy some flowers from the flower seller. Okay. So I bought 2 packets of red flowers. 2 packets of red flowers then 3 packets of white flowers, 3 packets of white flowers and 5 yellow flowers, 5 yellow flowers. So I bought 2 packets of red flower, 3 packets of white flower and 5 yellow flower. In each packet there are 10 flowers. Okay, in each packet there are 10 flowers. 10 flowers. Okay, so in the first packet there are 2 packets. 2 packets of red flower. There are 2 packets of red flower. Okay, in each packet there are 10. There are 10 flowers. Okay, so here 10 flowers are there. Here also 10 flowers are there. And 3 packets of white flower. There also in each package there are 10 flowers. Okay, so 3 packets of white flower, white. Okay, in each packet there are 10 flowers, isn't it? And 5 yellow flowers, and 5 yellow flowers. These are not in packet. Okay, so there are 2 packets of 10, 2 packets of red flower, 10 in each packet, 3 packets of yellow flower, 10 in each packet and 5 yellow flowers. They are not in packets. Okay, how much flowers in total? How many flowers in total? So here 10 plus 10, 20 flowers, isn't it? Here 10, 10, 10, that means 30 flowers, and there are 5 yellow flowers. So 5 yellow flowers. So how many is total? Is 20 plus 30 plus 5, 20 plus 30, 50, and plus 5, 55. So I will write 55. So in total I have 55 flowers with me. Is it clear? There are 2 packets of red flowers, 3 packets of white flowers and 5 yellow flowers. They are not in packets. Okay, and in each packet there are 10 flowers. So there will be 55 flowers in total. Okay, so my dear students, we did a lot of activities today, isn't it? So first chapter is over and I will be coming in the next week with a new chapter, the second chapter. Okay, and there are some activities in the textbook like these, so you want to do all the activities. Okay, so this is for today. Bye bye, take care. Thank you so much.